Like to do research on machine learning or data science field. Can you please supervise me, sir? How
So
do I
can
contact
you?
you, sir? Can you please
Oh,
supervise me,
okay.
sir?
So no problem. Actually, it's my pleasure. So you can contact with Sabir or my contact information. How can I write in the chat box? I have a website, rfin.me. If you look at the website of Chuet, yeah, you can and CSC department visit, you will get all my information, okay, and my research areas. Even I have a website. I'm not sure whether we can use chat box. I was not familiar with using this system. rfin.me, arefin.me. In this website, this is my personal website. You can get information here. I am very active in Facebook. You can mention a message in my Facebook, but when messaging, please give a reference of I was interested to be in contact with you based on your lecture on গবেষণা করতে চাই. Otherwise, I may ignore your message because there are many messages nowadays. So it's not difficult. Mohammad Shamsul Arifin, you go Chuet, search in the Facebook, you can find me. You can visit the website of Chuet as well as Department of CSC. You can find my information as well as you can visit my rfin.me website.